Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize the row height of your table in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my table in my Microsoft Excel file and I'm going to customize the row height of this table. First thing first, we can select our table like this. And then we're going to go to the format right here, and you can easily customize your row height right here guys. Just select row height and you can enter the row height that you want to apply to your table, and I'm going to make it bigger, so I'm gonna input 20. Okay, then you can click on OK, and then your row height will be changed. As you can see, now my row height has been changed. Alright guys, and that's all the way to customize our row height of our table in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.